Welcome to Bike Shift, where we explore not just machines on the road, but also the most powerful machines ever built. Today's topic steps beyond bikes and cars and enters the world of next-generation air dominance. We are talking about the 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41, Russia's rumored sixth-generation interceptor designed to redefine speed, altitude, and aerial warfare. The MiG-41, also known by its program name PAC-DP, is expected to replace the legendary MiG-31 interceptor. This aircraft is not designed as a traditional fighter jet. Instead, it focuses on extreme speed, long-range interception, and the ability to counter hypersonic threats, satellites, and stealth aircraft. The MiG-41 represents Russia's vision of future air defense beyond 2026. One of the most talked about aspects of the MiG-41 is its projected speed. Reports suggest it could exceed Mach 4, making it one of the fastest combat aircraft ever envisioned. The aircraft is also expected to operate at near-space altitudes, allowing it to intercept targets far above conventional fighter ranges. This combination of speed and altitude would give it unmatched response capability. Unlike older MiG interceptors, the MiG-41 is expected to feature stealth shaping and advanced radar-absorbing materials. It may include artificial intelligence assistance, optional unmanned operation, and next-generation avionics. Advanced sensors and network-centric warfare systems would allow the aircraft to detect and destroy threats long before they reach defended airspace. The MiG-41 is rumored to carry long-range hypersonic missiles, anti-satellite weapons, and next-generation air-to-air missiles. Its primary role is not dogfighting, but high-speed interception and strategic defense. This makes it a critical asset for protecting large territories and countering future aerial and space-based threats. While 2026 is often mentioned as a development milestone, the MiG-41 remains largely classified. Prototypes, testing phases, and final specifications are still under wraps. However, its concept alone shows how future combat aircraft are shifting toward speed, automation, and multi-domain dominance. The 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41 is more than just a successor to the MiG-31. It represents a bold leap into the future of aerial interception and near-space defense. Whether it fully enters service or evolves further, the MiG-41 has already secured its place as one of the most fascinating military aircraft projects of the modern era. Stay tuned with Bike Shift for more deep dives into powerful machines that push the limits of engineering and performance.